Watch the edge, lift it up.
Higher? Okay.
Bring the cushion over here quickly.
Scene lock. Same aerial locked tripod perspective and framing. Same lens compression and lighting continuity. Stable aircraft geometry and preserved jungle landmarks. Stage. Realistic aircraft restoration time-lapse with workers replacing corroded panels. Cranes reinstalling wing sections. Scaffolding moving gradually. Welding and polishing operations. Engines restored. Windows installed. Surrounding clearing cleaned and stabilized. Details. Workers physically carrying panels and tools. Realistic welding flashes. Hydraulic lifts operating slowly. Paint application and polishing progression. Muddy tire tracks forming and fading. Construction order follows real restoration workflow. Workers exit site gradually after completion. No instant transformations. Scene lock. Identical aerial tripod framing with stable aircraft geometry and preserved environment continuity. Same overcast tropical lighting and cinematic lens feel. Stage. Human-driven luxury resort staging time-lapse. Crews carrying outdoor furniture onto aircraft decks. Assembling lounge seating. Installing pathway lighting. Placing tropical plants. Cleaning glass walls. Arranging rooftop seating and poolside accessories manually. Details. Realistic carrying, lifting and assembling actions. Workers tightening fixtures and aligning furniture. Lights turning on gradually at dusk. Subtle tropical mist rolling through jungle. Realistic reflections increasing as surfaces are cleaned. No floating decor. No teleporting staging items. Scene lock. Stabilized aerial hero shot preserving exact aircraft geometry and jungle layout. Slow cinematic dolly in toward restored aircraft resort. Subtle lens breathing and realistic atmospheric depth. Same tropical overcast lighting continuity. Stage. Cinematic showcase of completed luxury aircraft jungle retreat with glowing interior lights. Polished aircraft exterior. Landscaped pathways and rooftop lounge areas highlighted in a smooth reveal sequence. Details. Gentle push-in toward aircraft cockpit and central fuselage. Warm lighting reflections on polished metal skin. Moving tropical leaves in soft wind. Subtle fog drifting through jungle canopy. Realistic cinematic motion blur. Calm luxury atmosphere. No geometry distortion or unrealistic motion.